Hi there, I promised you all a creamy chicken soup, so that's what I'm going to make for you today. This is a lovely recipe. It's a great recipe for this time of the year when the weather is starting to get cold. There's not very many ingredients in this. I find this soup very handy for when I do a roast chicken and I've got chicken left over. I can just add it to this soup. So to get started, just get yourself a large pan, and in here I've heated together a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. Into here I'm going to add in 1 stick of celery, and I've chopped it nice and fine. And I've got half a leek. 2 garlic cloves, chopped up finely. Just mix them together. Smell lovely. I'm going to let these cook away on a medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. I just want them to soften up a little. This is ready now, and just to mention, you could add 1 medium carrot to this. Just chop it up nice and fine and saute it with the leek and the celery. It would give it a nice natural sweetness and a little bit of colour to the soup as well if you wanted to. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add some flour to this, 2 tablespoons, just plain flour. This will help thicken the soup. Cook it for about 1 minute. Great. Now I'm going to add in some chicken stock, 300 mils. And I've got 150 mils of milk. And I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. I'm going to remove this at the end. Stir everything together. All right, I'm going to let this simmer away gently now on a medium heat for about 25 minutes. My soup is ready, and you just need to check that the celery is fully cooked. Just get a little bit at the side of your dish. That's perfect. My soup is a little bit thick, so I'm going to add in some more hot water to it. It's entirely optional how you like your soup. Some like it thin, some like it thick. Mix that in. At the end, you can thin it out again if you feel it needs it. All right, so into here I've got 200 grams of cooked chicken, and I've chopped it up nice and fine. I've got 100 mils of cream. You can use single cream or double cream. I'm just going with single. A teaspoon of tarragon. If you don't have it, you can leave it out, but it is nice, so it's not expensive to buy them. And I'm going to add some pepper and some salt. So mix all that together. There's about 4 portions of soup here, so if you want a bigger quantity, just double up the recipe, and you can always freeze it. Okay, I'm going to let this cook away now gently for about 4 to 5 minutes. You don't want to boil it, just make sure you don't boil it, just nice and steady. This is ready. I'm going to remove the bay leaf. You don't want to leave that in. I'm going to blitz this now, and I find it's handier is just to lift it, tilt it to one side like that. You can leave this soup a little bit chunky if you like it. I'm going to blitz it till it's nice and smooth. Great, I'm happy with that. And the consistency is quite good as well. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. It's a lovely colour. Smells really good. Going to have a little taste. That's lovely. It doesn't need any more seasoning. You can taste the chicken, and the cream in there is beautiful. I'm going to show you how to serve this up now. I'm finishing off with some freshly chopped chives. You could chop up some fresh parsley either, it'd be lovely on it as well. A couple of croutons if you have them in the house, absolutely beautiful. This is a meal in itself. Have it with some freshly baked brown bread or a lovely crusty roll. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and do give it a go. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Happy baking, everyone. Enjoy.